Look! She is so high! The branch is breaking! Ellie, no! Get down! Get down right now!
Ellie, Max, you can play outside for a little while.
Thank you, Mom. I love playing in the garden.
But look at the sky. It is getting dark soon.
Okay, Mom. We will come inside before dark. Come on, Ellie. Let us play by the big tree. It is the tallest tree in our garden. Ellie, look! A little gray cat is on the fence. She is so pretty. Hello, little cat.
Wait, do you hear that? A dog is barking.
Oh no! The dog is running this way. She is running. She is climbing the big tree.
The dog is going away now. We are safe.
But look up. The cat is still in the tree. She is crying. She cannot come down. I can climb up. I will get her. Ellie, wait. Do not do that. I am already halfway. I can reach her. Look down, Ellie. Look how high you are.
Oh, the ground is so far away.
My hands are shaking. I do not like this.
Come down. Slowly. Hold the tree with both hands.
I am scared, Max. I am really scared.
I know, but you are almost down. Keep going.
I am down. My legs feel funny.
Never do that again. If you fall, who helps the cat?
You are right. I am sorry. I was not thinking.
Stay calm. Think first. That is what Mom always says. Good. Now let us think together.
Maybe she will come down if we call her. Here, kitty. Come down, little cat.
Come on. You can do it. We will catch you.
She is not moving. She is too scared.
We need Mom and Dad. Run.
Mom. Dad. Please come quickly.
Ellie, what is wrong? Are you hurt?
We are okay. But a little cat is in the tree.
A dog scared her. Now she cannot come down.
There, on the small branch. Do you see her?
Wait here. I will get the ladder from the garage. Here it is. Everyone stand back, please.
The ladder is not long enough.
And look at that branch. It is very thin. It cannot hold a big person like me.
Excuse me. Have you seen a little gray cat?
Yes. She is up in this tree.
Is she your cat?
Mimi. That is my Mimi. Oh no.
I opened the door for one moment. She ran outside. You do not understand. She is not just a cat. Last winter, I was very sick. I stayed in bed for many days. Mimi slept beside me every night. She never left me.
Oh, Lily.
Now I understand.
Please help her. She is my whole family.
We will help her. I promise you.
We need someone with the right tools. I will call the animal rescue team right now.
I can see a van. Someone is coming.
Good evening. I heard there is a cat in a tree.
Please be careful. She is very small.
Do not worry. I have a long ladder and a soft bag.
He is climbing up now. He is almost there.
Hello, Mimi. It is okay. Come here.
Oh no! She is moving away!
She is very frightened. When cats are scared, they climb up. I am sorry. I cannot go any higher. That branch is too thin now. It is not safe.
But you cannot leave her up there.
I am so sorry. We may have to wait for morning.
All night? But it is cold. She is so small.
Come here, Lily. Come and sit with me.
Ellie, you are very quiet. Are you okay? When Lily was sick, she did not leave. Not for one night. Wait. Maybe she needs to hear something she knows. Lily, does Mimi have a favorite toy? Yes. She loves her little bell ball. Then run home and get it. And call her yourself. Look, she is running back. She has something. I have her bell. I ran as fast as I could.
Well done. Now take a slow breath, then call her.
Mimi, it is me. I am here. I am here, Mimi. I am not going home without you. She is turning around. She heard her. She is coming down. Slowly, slowly.
I have her. She is safe.
Mimi! Oh, my Mimi! Mimi! You came back to me. I was so scared. I thought I lost you. Look, she is putting her head on your shoulder. She always does that. She did it when I was sick too. Ellie, thank you. You did not go home. You stayed. Of course I stayed. She needed us. And so did you. But we did not save her. You did.
No, I could not reach her. Your idea saved her.
And Ellie, is there something you must tell us?
Yes, Mom. I climbed the tree. I got halfway up.
Oh, Ellie. That was very dangerous.
I know. When I looked down, I was so frightened. I told her to come down. And she did.
That was the bravest thing, Ellie. Stopping was brave too.
I understand now. If I climb, I can fall.
That is exactly right. Never climb after an animal. Always find an adult. We have the right tools. You were kind and you were smart. That is the best way.
Mimi is warm now. She is sleeping in my arms. Would you like to come and see her tomorrow? Yes, please. I would love that. Being kind means helping. But helping the right way. Stay calm. Think first. And always ask for help. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.